डिस्क्रिप्शन लिंक में मिल जाएंगे, आप वहां से भी देख सकते हैं, और ये 2020 का देखेंगे। ओके, चलिए फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर देखते हैं। रिलेटिव स्वीटनेस ऑफ सुक्रोज टू सैकराइड, द आंसर इज बी 1:500। ओके, इसका जो आंसर होगा वो होगा बी 1:500। नेक्स्ट इज second question number. The following statement is more accurate with respect to limitation of Arrhenius relationship for stability prediction. The answer is C. Less relative humidity and oxygen solubility at higher temperature. Okay, the answer is C. Next is 3 question number. Lack of dye available commercially contain maximum up to 50% of pure dye. The answer is D. Next is 4th question number. Type 2 glass container are. Type 2 glass containers are. The answer is C. Suitable for most acidic and neutral aqueous preparation. The answer is C. Next is 5 question number. Dimethyl sulfoxide act as penetration enhancer for topical formulation by. The answer is B. Denaturation protein. The answer is B. Next is 6th question number. As per European Pharmacopoeia Technical Guide, substance stored at 25 degrees Celsius for 24 hours at 80% RH, called very hygroscopic, when increase the weight is. The answer is C. The answer is C. Next is 7th question number. Sick test toxin is sterile filtered from a culture of. The answer is C. Cyanobacterium diphtheria. The answer is C. Next is 8th question number. Volume good is obtained from intestine of. The answer is C. The answer is C. Next is 9th question number. An excipient ludicrous used for liquid dosage form is co-processed excipient of. The answer is C. Lactose monohydrate plus Calodon 30 plus Calodon CA. The answer is C. Next is 10th question number. Pyrogen present in container can be destroyed by the heating of container at. The answer is C. 210 degrees Celsius, यानी कि 210 degrees Celsius for कितना hours? 4 hours. Okay, the answer is C. Next is 11th question number. In capsule making, the bloom strength of gelatin is proportional to molecular weight of the gelatin and is measure of the. The answer is B. Cohesive strength of the cross-linking that occurs between gelatin molecules. The answer is B. Next is 12th question number. Choose the wrong statement from the following with regard to amorphous solid. The answer is A. Usually they are anisotropic. The answer is A. Okay. Next is 13th question number. The granulation effect on the cell wall is caused by hypertonic solution and this effect is reversible. और ये जो effect है ये क्या है? Reversible. इसका जो आंसर होगा A होगा. Next is 14th question number. The unequal attractive force acting on the molecule at the surface of liquid gas interface when compared with molecular force in the bulk of the liquid is due to. The answer is B. Less adhesive force of attraction. The answer is B. Next is 15th question number. Flowing is the important stroll in phases formed from cholesterol by the bacteria in lower intestine? The answer is B. Coprostanol. The answer is B. Next is 16th question number. According to distribution law, select the appropriate expression for the concentration of a solute when it exists as monomer in solvent A and dimer in solvent B. Okay. Assume कीजिए Ca equal to concentration of solute in solvent A and Cv equal to concentration of solute B, solid solvent in B, and alpha is degree of the dissociation. Okay, इसका जो आंसर होगा वो होगा D. K equal to Ca, that means concentration of solute in solvent A, and root Cb, that means concentration of solute in solvent B. Okay, that is the answer जो होगा D होगा. Next is 17th question number. The drug concentration between minimum effect concentration, the short form is MEC, and maximum safe concentration, the short form is MSC, is called. The answer is D, therapeutic range. Next is 18th question number. Production of acetyl methyl carbamol can be detected by the which of following test? The answer is A. Voges-Proskauer test. The answer is A. Next is 19th question number. The temperature dependence and the theory of viscosity is expressed by the following. The answer is B. Arrhenius equation of the chemical kinetics. B, not C. Okay. The answer is B. Next is 20 question number. Which of the following is not a fundamental factor considered for selection of a location for the construction of pharmaceutical and chemical plant? The answer is A, soil. The answer is A. Okay. Next is 21 question number. The following gram-positive bacteria species is positive for the coagulase test. Coagulase test, a test for the ability of bacteria to cause blood plasma to clot. The answer is B, S. aureus. The answer is B. Next is 22 question number. The version of GMP in India that describe requirement of a factory premises for the manufacturing of cosmetics. The answer is C, schedule M2. The answer is C. Okay. Next is 23 question number. This fungus is also known as opportunistic pathogen, often isolated from warm-blooded animals. The answer is T, Candida albicans. The answer is T. Next is 24 question number. Which of the following will result in very closest value to the glomerular filtration rate GFR? Okay, इसका जो आंसर होगा वो होगा D, creatinine clearance. The answer is D. Okay. Next is 25 question number. While studying solid state phycochemical properties, the packing properties of drug includes. The answer is C, refractive index. The answer is C. Okay. Next is 26 question number. The acidic polymer of phosphate present in gram-positive microbeans are also known as. The answer is B, teichoic acid. The answer is B. Next is 27 question number. Increasing the proportion of dispersed phase of an emulsion by the more than 60% may lead to. Answer is C, phase inversion. Answer is C. Next is 28 question number. The second law of thermodynamics states that whenever the spontaneous process takes place, it is accompanied by an increase in the total energy of universe. The equation that satisfies the Evil law of the answer is A. Delta S universe equal to S system plus delta S surrounding. The answer is A. Next is 29 question number. A complexation of a quinone with hexyl salicylate is an example of absorption by. The answer is D. Ion pair transport. The answer is D. Next is 30 question number. The polymorphs exhibit the following different properties except. The answer is D. Chemical structure. The answer is D. Next is 31 question number. Method of study drug distribution pattern is. The answer is A. Mass spectrophotometry. The answer is A. Next is 32 question number. Product of the following reaction. The answer is A. Okay. What's a reaction? A reaction. Okay. Next is 33 question number. Which of the following powder shows the greatest degree of dustability? The answer is B. Lycopodium powder. Answer is B. Lycopodium powder. Okay. Next is 34 question number. The dispersion of coarse material by searing in a gap between a static cone and rapidly rotating cone is caused by. The answer is A. Colloid mill. Next is 35 question number. When the concentration of aqueous sodium chloride solution has the same quality property as a solution in equation, the value of obtained is known as. The answer is B. Isotonicity value. The answer is B. Next is 36 question number. When a reciprocal attraction between molecules of the different species exists, coincident attraction between like molecules, the deviation according to Raoult's law is said to be. The answer is D. Negative. The answer is D. Next is 37 question number. Centistock is the CGS unit for the following property. The answer is D. Kinematic viscosity. The answer is D. Next is 38 question number. Molar heat capacity of a system is defined as. The answer is A. The amount of heat required to rise temperature of one molecule of system by the 1 Kelvin. The answer is A. Next is 39 question number. When a solid forms a gel more rapidly when genetically second or otherwise seared than when allowed to form a gel, the material is kept as rest. The phenomenon is known as. The answer is B. Rheopexy. The answer is B. Next is 40 question number. In the process of extraction, ethanol is used as a solvent for. The answer is C. Alkaloids. The answer is C. Next is 41 question number. Human serum albumin has a molecular weight of. The answer is B. 65,000. Okay. Next is 42 question number. Riboflavin chemically is. Riboflavin जो होता है chemically is. The answer is A. 6,7 dimethyl isoleucine. The answer is A. Okay. Next is 33 question number. Is Boro solution is aluminum acetate solution strong. The answer is A. Next is 44 question number. Drug product that contain same therapeutic moiety but as different salt ester or complex are called as. The answer is C. Pharmaceutical alternative. The answer is C. Next is 45 question number. When 6 suppositories containing 20% of morphine hydrochloride in theobromine oil are to be prepared which of the following statement is correct? कौन से इसमें correct statement दिया गया है जो इसका जो correct है वो है C. The displacement value of morphine hydrochloride is to be ignored. The answer is C. Next is 46 question number. Following the amino acid does not exhibit optical isomerism. The answer is C. Glycine. The answer is C. Next is 47 question number. Fraction of administered dose which may be in form of ester of salt of active drug is termed as. The answer is D. Salt factor. The answer is D. Next is 48 question number. If two monosaccharides differ in their structure around a single carbon atom, they are called as. The answer is A. epimer. The answer is A. epimer. Next is 49 question number. Which of the following is an example of invert sugar? The answer is D. Sucrose. The answer is D. Sucrose. Next is 50 question number. Which of the following groups stabilize carbocation in electrophilic aromatic substitution? The answer is, इसका जो आंसर होगा वो होगा C. Okay, NH2 and OH. Okay, the answer is C. हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में 51 से देखेंगे, नहीं तो लॉन्ग वीडियो हो जाएंगे. ओके, जी पैट्रिविजन क्लासेस को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें और शेयर करें. ओके, तब तक के लिए बाय. नेक्स्ट वीडियो मिलते हैं 51 से. ओके.